Welcome back to my channel OIT Marchini guys. Once again, hopefully you guys are doing well. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please go and subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, press all to get notification for all my upcoming videos. So in this video we'll talk regarding the cadets unemployment. Very important topic, very serious topic and very concerned topic actually. So basically what we will do is we will analyze one you can say data statistical analysis, okay, survey basically. So it has been done by the Offing Group, Offing Marine Consultant. I was browsing some website related to this marine and all, what I used to do in the night time. So I came across this Offing Group website and I found that brilliant data analysis. Superb, very simple but very effective. So they have done a few months back, 3 or 4 months back, on the month of August I think, 15-20 days survey, 2000 plus responses, and it shows the actual skeleton of the marine industry. Obviously you can ask me that what is the use of it? Did I if I able to get job with this? No, you will not, definitely will not. But to solve the problem, to resolve any problem, you need to know the root cause, right? So what they have done, I will tell you one by one in the analysis part definitely, but thanks to Captain Purnendu Shore, he has done that. Basically he's the CEO of the Offing Group. So maybe if I get chance to contact with him, definitely I'll try to tell him to come to my channel and interact with you guys. Definitely it will be helpful to you. I'll try if I get time, and if he able to give me the time. Obviously he's a busy guy. So okay, so now we'll try to read the survey report. So in the first page you can see the unemployed Indians cadets, okay, of Merchant Navy. The survey has been taken place 2018-2020. Date of report is 15th of August. Okay, disclaimer, please read it by yourself. Okay, this is the first page. Now second page, these are the course, already you know. So these are some you can read. Then alarming situation, definitely it is an alarming situation. So, and yes, India is one of the leading suppliers of manpower of merchant ships. Now I was talking about Captain Purnendu Shore. He is the co-founder and director of this Offing Group and Marine Education and Career Guidance. So they carried out the survey, that thing, the largest pan-India inter-college festival of maritime education, this is Nautica, okay, that is different thing. There's a brief highlights. Now okay, so the survey has taken place 16th July to 2nd of August 2021. So this is a Google form basically. So here what they have done, excellent job they have done over here, that they have used the Google form, the most simplest thing they can have done in this situation. They could have been done in this situation. The Google form, very easy to access for students, no rocket science, nothing, just go and use the Google form. So that they have done excellently well. Okay, so the survey has taken place 16th of July to 2nd of August, right? So the outcome, most importantly, 2059 entries has been done. Okay, so after deleting the repeated entries were received within a span of running survey below the analysis data. So what they have done, they have total 3 years, 2018 to 20, nice data. So see, 2018, this one 18, 19 is this one 19, okay, this one 20 is actually more, right? Okay, so it is increasing. So okay, so the data received from 20 is more rather than the 2018 or 19, means I think they have got the job. So this is a good sign actually if you analyze the data. Okay, so in that page it was a data analysis basically. Now course wise breakup, nice data. So BSc Nautical, you can see, then BTech Marine Catering course, ETO, DNS, GME, GP rating. Okay, this is a course wise breakup basically. Nice. Okay, this is another analytical table. You can read yourself, self-analytic this one. And again, now top 5 course trend upward unemployment. Very important this part. So in the top there is a, I think, BTech Marine. Then it comes to the BSc Nautical, yes. Then GP. Then your DNS. Then your GME. Then ETO, and at last your catering or CCMC. Okay. So now the total fees. Okay. See, BTech Marine 10 lakhs averaged, 8 lakhs, BSc Nautical, GP 2 lakhs 25, DNS 3 lakhs, GME, okay, ETO, okay. This is self-explanatory. So okay. The conclusive remarks, you can read yourself this thing. Okay. Malpractices, unemployable. Okay, nice thing, this one. So now I will conclude, but before that I will tell you something regarding this survey has been made between 2018 to 20. That time the pass out students have submitted this whole data. Brilliantly done, actually brilliantly executed. So actually the course fee they have mentioned, actually I was watching one interview of Captain Purnendu. So he was telling they have put that value of the course that was minimal, not average. Okay, so definitely 8 lakhs they have put for BSc Nautical. Actually it can go up to 20 lakhs in some colleges. BTech Marine 10 lakhs, unbelievable. 22 lakhs in some colleges. Okay, I'm not joking. You can go to their website. A lot of colleges are there. I don't know to name them, but yeah, definitely the colleges are the top colleges. You go and check their browser over there, and you'll find the course fee structure. You'll find 22 lakhs up to. So even they have put the minimal of cost of that 10 year, 3 years, 4 years, whatever it is, DNS 1 year. So still 120 crores, whooping amount it is, 120 crores, and after that they're not getting job. Pathetic, you know. So this situation is really alarming. So I wanted to tell you that you can do, what you can do is, do not enter Merchant Navy in a wrong manner. Try to enter in a proper path, follow the proper path. Avoid BSc Nautical Science. To be very honest, avoid BSc Nautical Science. Go for the DNS, best course nowadays. Before take the sponsorship, then only. Okay, so this is the situation of cadets, unemployment, and the survey. Again I am telling, excellent survey. If they would have been continue this survey for another 1 month, more responses. Remember, this data has been only made within 15-20 days, and among 2000 plus students. Even though in some colleges, 2, 3, 4 colleges you'll find 2000 students in India. So lot of students every year used to pass out. So yeah, this is a restricted data definitely, but it shows the actual form or character of this unemployment of cadets. So that is the thing I wanted to tell you. So I'll not elongate this video more. If you like this video, please do not forget to subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, press all to get notification for all my upcoming videos. Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Signing off for the day.